Hello, my name is Dennis Gromley, and I'm developing an Android app that helps professional and amateur artists to restore old photos. Now, the app is focused on processing scratches and curves, those are like areas with lost information. You can say, Photoshop or something like that can cope with this problem properly. But, while we were experimenting with those apps, many artifacts appears, such as details duplicating or loss. Also, Photoshop and Alex for Android have an extra drawback. It is touch control, which doesn't allow to select damaged areas accurate, that causes bigger artifacts. Our app will not have those issues. Vice versa, the key principles of our app is easy to use by amateurs as well as professionals, and adaptation of user interface for Android. Stages of processing images in our app. First, overbrightening of whole image for leveling brightnesses of damaged areas. Detecting the corruptions based on their brightnesses. Filling areas inside the corruptions with our out-of hybrid filter. Detecting the edges of the corruptions. Blurring edges with Gaussian filter. And normalizing whole image to restore the contrast. What is hybrid filter? It is an algorithm which we developed and use for filling areas inside the corruptions. How does it work? It takes an array of pixels and then sort it by extending. Removes pixels which are greater than threshold, in other words, the corrupted pixels, and takes the number of central pixels and averages them arithmetically to get the new value of target pixel. Also, we've developed the special method of regulating of settings with joysticks, which allow us to find optimal parameters fast and which the results of detection in real time, which will be highlighted red. I've developed the app prototype with which we experimented. It is an original image. These were processed in Photoshop Fix without preprocessing in our app. Here as we can see such artifacts as details duplicating or loss. The next one was processed in Photoshop Fix 2 but with preprocessing in our app, and there isn't such artifacts as in previous. It is an original image. This one was processed in Photoshop Fix without preprocessing in our app. Here we can see the same artifacts again. And the next one was processed in Photoshop Fix 2, but with preprocessing in our app, and it looks much better. There are other examples of processing images in our app. Also, we experimented with neural networks, which showed us that low resolution of input image in neural networks can cause severe artifacts, which are very hard to fix without help of professional artists. As opposite to our app, where is low resolution of input image, much less impacting to the final result. In addition, you can easily process output image from our app in any image editor as we do there. We hope that our project will contribute the sharing of interesting old pictures as on this slide on the internet. Thank you for your attention.